Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video you will learn that how to add Piezo Electric Sensor Library to Proteus. So here you can see the library files. You can download this file from the link provided in the description. Right click on it, open it. So here you can see the library files. Select all the files, copy it, and now go to this tab. Here you can see the Proteus icon. Right click on it and now open the file location. So here you can see the folder of the Proteus. Now come back to the main Proteus file and folder. So here you can see the library folder. Right click on it, open it, and paste all the files over here. It's saying that license file is already available, so skip it and skip this as well, as I have already pasted it here. So now close it. Now open the Proteus software. If you have already opened it, close it and reopen it again, so it will load the new libraries. Now from here search for the Piezo Electric Sensor. So here you can see the Piezo Sensor. Click on OK and place it here. Now zoom it and here you can see the Piezo Sensor. These are the output pins, positive and negative, and here you can see the test pin. So this was the method of how to add Piezo sensor to the Proteus. The library files are available in the description. You can download from there. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel, like and share the video. Visit my channel for more videos related to it. Thanks for watching.